Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances, guys, Scorpios. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have 9 of air, 4 of air, and star. So in your circumstances, guys, Scorpios, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are trying to cope up, trying to for some of you, you are healing from your past situation. Maybe you had a really traumatic time, maybe in your relationship, or it may be a lot of stressful time, stressful work in your career situation. You needed to finish some projects or assignments within the timeline. So you were working hard, and today you are feeling better, healing. You are seeing things with clarity, healing from some negative circumstances. So you are on the road to recovery from some difficult situation you were with, guys. And in your heart of hearts, you are trying to calm yourself, gather yourself, make yourself more confident. So you're shifting your attention from all that hurt and painful circumstances you faced. So you are talking to yourself, shifting your attention from all that negativity you faced in your situation. So it may be something to do with your relationship, or maybe in your career you had a lot of difficulties and maybe some failures, and you are simply feeling sad or stressed because of that, and you want to move on, move forward positively towards your future. So maybe in your relationship, guys, whatever has happened, and you want to move positively towards the future, expecting happy things, having hope for a brighter future, and you are giving yourself a break, maybe taking rest, maybe a time away from this person, trying to heal from all that arguments or some stressful situation you both had, and you are talking to yourself, trying to be compassionate with yourselves, trying to forgive yourself and forget the past and move forward positively today, guys. And you are feeling really encouraged and inspired. Maybe for some of you, you have your friends communicating to you, and they are the reason for inspiration and confidence, and you see things more clearly now, and you have hopes for a better day tomorrow, guys. You feel really inspired after this rest. And let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is Messenger of Fire. So with this card, guys, you are ready. You are having that firm conviction, belief in yourself that you will be able to do the right things in this relationship, and you have clarity and you know what you want, and you have confidence and determination in your relationship. So maybe you love this person and you want to fight for this love, guys. That is what I see. So you want to give it a chance. So maybe there were some troubles in this relationship, but you want to fight for your chance, and you want to fight for this love you have for this person. So whatever difficulties you are seeing today, you are willing to make it work. So that is your confidence I see here, guys, Scorpios. So for your career situation, it is Empress. So again, a card that shows that you are inspired and feeling nourished, ready to cope up, and you are seeing some new beginning in your career situation, guys. So some positive news or some new beginning is what I see, and you feel uh, you have new ideas and you have new experiences guiding you today in your career situation, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So we will see what it is. For those who chose this first card, we have Dawn, the golden hat. So in your circumstances today, guys, you are making a lot of efforts and it is something difficult, but you are someone dedicated and devoted, and your devotion and dedication is bringing you the rewards, guys, and very soon. So some of us may feel that we do so much but the returns are not good. We work so hard but what we get is nothing matching to what we did. But you need to understand that hard work will never go for waste, guys, and patience is what is called for today in your circumstances. So you are going to be really recognized for your devotion and dedication and true love. If you have true love on this person and if they also have true love, so whatever obstacles you are facing, you both are facing today in your love situation is coming to an end, guys, and your good work or your good deeds will always be rewarded. You can have trust that on that, guys. You can be rest assured. So whatever you do, whatever good things you do will always be rewarded, and whatever you do, being responsible, devoted, dedicated in your work or in your personal life, your dedication is going to change your circumstances. Maybe it will change even the difficult circumstances into something beautiful. So things will change around if you have positive intentions and if you do your duty with that patience and with that conviction and devotion. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So good things are coming towards you, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have an angel card, guys. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are here with us, guiding us today in our day-to-day activities. So with this card, it just means that we are not aware of beauty or happiness in our circumstances, guys. So this angel card is about that. It helps us to find joy in our own circumstances, seeing the beauty of the world around us. And beauty is is a unique form of creative expression, guys. So maybe sometimes we are often so busy, or we see so much ugliness and sadness in our world around us, around the people we meet, or in the experiences that come to our life. We rarely appreciate, or we rarely pause to see the things that are beautiful in our situation. Maybe the in our day-to-day struggles, or in our anxiety or stress, we often lose that awareness to see our circumstances and see where we are and appreciate the things that we have. So it may be a child's smiling face, or a butterfly fluttering around, whatever it is, or a tree moving in that mild wind. So whatever it is, things of beauty around us, the nature we have around us, we rarely appreciate all those things, guys. So when we do that, when we appreciate this beauty around us, it simply inspires us, makes us refreshed, and it gives us inspiration and that positive energy. So lack of inspiration is the reason for our situation, guys. We feel lot stressed, and we feel cornered, or we feel let down in some ways. So inspiration is the key thing needed in our day-to-day life. So this card stands for that, and it stands for getting inspired with our surroundings. So this angel card assists us in that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So it simply opens us. When we feel inspired, we are open to new ideas and opportunities in our life. So that is the energy with this card. And that is the reading for you all today, guys, with these cards. I hope you like this reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.